Hey guys, welcome to this series. In this series, I'll be teaching you basics of Go. So let's get started by downloading it. So to download Go, you need to come to this site called golang.org. Click on download Go. Now you can download according to your system. Also, we need an IDE to program in. So you can use any IDE, but I'll recommend you VS Code. It has a really good support for Go. So you can use this. Also, if you don't want to set up Go and VS Code, you can go to play.golang.org. Here you can write Go code and run it so you can follow along the series on this website. Also, whenever you start a new programming language, it's always good to have a cheat sheet. So I'll recommend you this cheat sheet. Links would be in the description. So you can use this cheat sheet. So let's get started. So once you have downloaded VS Code, click on File, Open Folder, and create a folder and select it. Now we'll need to download Go extension. So to do that, click on Extension tab and search for Go and download this extension. It adds support for Go in VS Code, but if you're not using VS Code, you don't need it. Now let's start by making a file. So let's make a file. Let's name it main.go. All Go files start with a package. So let's start with package main. So we'll name this package main. Now we'll need a library called fmt, which will allow us to print to console. It's short for format. So let's import the library. So to import, we just use import keyword and library's name. So it's fmt. Now, like in C and C++, you have a main function. So in Go also you'll need a main function, which when you run your program, the compiler will automatically run it. So let's define our main function. So let's say func main. So to define a function, use func. Let's print. So let's say fmt.print with capital P, print ln, which is print line, and let's say hello world. You know, the classics. Yeah, and now because you have if you have the Go extension, you can just say Ctrl+F5 and it will run. It will run on the debug console. But if you are not using VS Code or if you don't have the extension, you can go to terminal and you can just say go run the file name. So that's main.go. It will run it. Now few basics of Go. Single line comment is /, multi-line comment is slash and a star, and star and a slash again. So this is a multi-line comment. Also in Go, you cannot use single quotes to define a string. So you cannot define a string like this. You need to use double quotes. And to define a multi-line string, you need to use backticks. So you need to do this, and then you can do multi-line string. You can save that and we'll run it. And that's our multi-line string. Also, a really good feature about Go is called Go FMT. So in your terminal, if you say Go FMT and then your file name, it will automatically format the code for you, because our code is not because we haven't coded that much. The results are same as the file. Yeah, but if you have a big Go file, you can use Go FMT to format it. If you have VS Code, you can just right click and click on format document, and it will automatically format it for you. Also in Go, so now I'll teach you how to build the file into an exe. So to build this, you just say go build, and it will automatically convert your code to an exe. So if you go to library, and if I go, you'll see it will create an exe for you. If you run this, you won't see anything, because when you run the file, it's printing hello world, then it's immediately quitting. So, and it happens so fast that you can't see it. So So one thing we can do is we can wait, we can sleep for some time. We can so that will give us some time. So to sleep we'll need a time library, so we can import time. Now one good feature about Go is, rather than using multiple import keywords to import multiple libraries, what you can do is you can just use one import keyword and you can put brackets, and then you can define all your libraries that you need. That's a clean way. And one thing to remember, if you import a library and you don't use it, Go will throw an error, so remember that. So after printing hello world, let's say time dot sleep, where's the autocomplete, time dot minute, let's say second, time dot second into 5. Hopefully that should work. Let's run it. So let's say hello world, it will wait for 5 seconds and it will shut down. So let's build this code. Let's say go build, and it will build an exe. So if I open it, it says hello world, it will wait for 5 seconds and it will quit. So that's how you can build it to an exe and you can distribute it. So that's that. So in next video I'll teach you about variables. So bye, and please like if you like this video, and subscribe, it means a lot. So yeah, thanks and bye.